You've done the work. You've made things happen. But if you're being honest, something still doesn't feel quite right, does it? Maybe you're questioning your next move, or maybe you're wondering why you feel a little bit off track, even though everything looks fine from the outside. Here's what I've seen time and time again. It's not about working harder, it's not about getting more organised, and it's certainly not about doing more. It's about the perspective you're using to navigate your life, that lens that's been shaping all of your decisions, and perhaps without you realising it. That's what this quiz is for. It's called the Perspective Type Quiz. It only takes a couple of minutes and you'll gain an accurate reflection of the internal compass that you have been using. You will find out what's driving you right now, what that lens can't see, and a few simple shifts that could get you moving again with way more ease and clarity. It's about helping you see differently, actually, because once you do, everything starts to move. So take the quiz. Let it show you what's really going on underneath the surface and what's possible when you start choosing a different or more aligned perspective.